So I found the viral videos of old Call of Duties, and I realized I could just remake those videos with the new version of Call of Duty, and I bet they'll go viral. So when I tested this and posted my first video, it got 3 million views. That's $6,000. So I just repeated this method, and I repeated it and repeated it and repeated it. What's up guys, Matt here, and today we have another installment of where I go over all the ways I figured out how to make money on the internet and how exactly to make a lot of money. So this is going to be a very long series because I have a lot of videos about this, and hopefully you guys can watch through them all, learn from what I've learned, and you can pick my brain a little bit. Now today's topic is actually a little extra special to me because it relates to YouTube and how I first got involved into internet business in general. It's because I just enjoyed uploading my video game footage to YouTube. I loved Call of Duty, I was a fanatic, so I just started posting, and then all of a sudden I got a lot of views, and then the money started coming. I was approached by Machinima, and they threw advertisements up on my videos, and then all of a sudden every 1,000 views I got, I was getting $2 for it. So that really sparked something in me, and then I went all for it. Now, I don't want to tell you guys anything you already know. Everybody knows you can make a lot of money off YouTube. So as it relates to my situation, my experience, I'm going to throw you a huge golden nugget of just a main strategy that I used in order to get my YouTube channel rolling. So my Call of Duty channel is actually still up and available. I quit it about 6 or 7 years ago. That's when I went into more lucrative niches. I was chasing the big money. I wanted it all. But back then I left off at about 50,000 subscribers. But where I very first began is the interesting thing, because my core strategy started right from the beginning. When I posted my first video, I had a lot of inspiration from watching somebody else's video that went viral where he teased a new Call of Duty, but it was an obvious parody video, and his video got a lot of views because it was something people wanted to watch. It was the brand new Call of Duty, and it turned out to be a total fake video, but I thought it was really funny, and he got a lot of views. So that's exactly what I did. I posted my first video, and it got a very good amount of views. For my first video ever, you know, right now it's sitting at about 40,000 organic views. That's pretty good. So that really got the whole ball rolling for my core strategy. Now to really hit you hard, here's where it all comes in. Now I realized that viral videos from old Call of Duties were essentially could be remade just with the new version of the new Call of Duty. And using that logic, if you just remake that old video, but it's the new version of the new Call of Duty, that should go viral too. And I'm sure you could do this with any video game or any type of product or thing going on, any niche that has a new version every single year. You could just remake old stuff that went viral, slap on the new version of the new product or whatever. Instead of Modern Warfare 2, if you put in Modern Warfare 3, that's going to take off if you do everything right. That the video you're copying, that the other video that went viral, if you copy it all, the algorithm will know that this is something that goes viral, or maybe that just proves that this is something people want to see and people search for it. So the first time I did this, I realized this guy had a ray gun glitch video from Black Ops 1. Now Black Ops 2 just came out, so I'm like, I'll just remake this video, but instead of it being Black Ops 1, I'll do the very new Call of Duty Black Ops 2. I made that video, remade it with the new Call of Duty, posted it, and it's sitting at over 3 million views now, so that's over $6,000 for me. That's in what, a couple hours of work? It probably only took me 1 hour. It's a 30-second video, so that just really blew my mind in how well this strategy works. So I repeated this strategy, and I repeated it and repeated it and repeated it, and it did very well for me. I made sure to throw in some an extra little pizzazz to my whole formula. When I knew a video was gonna go viral, I made sure to include a giveaway in that video, because it's a lot of young viewers. They want to win an HD PVR, a capture card, maybe a laptop, maybe they want to win some Microsoft points or PlayStation points. So I realized I could make sure to capture more of the people coming to my viral videos. I could capture them as long-term viewers, subscribers to be watching my new videos if I throw in a giveaway. And that is exactly what I did, and it did very well for a very long time. I was crushing the YouTube game, and back then, I think I left off the channel at 50,000 subscribers. Obviously, that sounds horrible. 50,000 subscribers today is nothing. But back then, Fred was the #1 channel, and he had just hit 1 million subscribers. I think he was just barely past that when I was doing YouTube in at 50K. So back then, 50,000 subscribers was a big deal. To be with Machinima back then, when I was 14, 15 years old and my voice was still squeaky, you could go and listen to those squeaky videos. But back then, it was a huge deal. So just to round things off, just this channel alone, over the course of its lifetime, had made somewhere in the tens and tens of thousands of dollars. I'm not exactly sure, but obviously I got into many other nook and crannies of the YouTube world to figure out how to make a lot of money very fast. But I can't cover that in this video because those need whole new videos. They need videos of their own so you could totally grasp what I saw and how I observed something that had a lot of potential to make a lot of money. So work your way through my entire series of all the ways I figured out how to make a lot of money on the internet in different ways and different niches. And I assure you, every single video should have a very good lesson, and it should have some golden nuggets that you could take for yourself and hopefully use to your advantage. That sums it all up. Make sure to smash that like button, please, and subscribe and ring the bell. You have to remember to ring that bell. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed and make some money. Peace out.